Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Firebase Phone Auth and FlutterFlow detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Firebase Phone Auth and FlutterFlow, start by creating a new project in FlutterFlow. Next, navigate to the Firebase console and create a new Firebase project. Once your project is created, enable phone authentication in the Firebase authentication section. Download the Google Services.json file from the Firebase console for your Android app. Add the Google Services.json file to the Android/app directory of your Flutter project. If you are working with iOS, download the Google Service Info.plist file and add it to your iOS project. Next, configure your project by adding the necessary dependencies in the pubspec.yaml file. Make sure to include the Firebase_core and Firebase_auth packages. After adding the dependencies, run flutter pub get to install them. Now, initialize Firebase in your main function by calling await firebase.initializeApp. In FlutterFlow, create a new screen for phone authentication. Add a text field for users to enter their phone number. Place a button labeled Send Code next to the phone number input field. In the button's action settings, select the Send Verification Code action. Next, you'll need to set up a callback to handle the verification code. After sending the code, add a text field for the user to enter the received OTP. Create a second button labeled Verify Code below the OTP input field. In the action settings for this button, select the Verify Code action. In the verification code action, use the Verify Phone Number method from the Firebase Auth package. Handle success and error callbacks to provide user feedback. If verification is successful, navigate the user to the next screen. If verification fails, display an appropriate error message. Make sure to test the phone authentication flow in your app. Adjust any UI elements to ensure a smooth user experience. Once everything is set up, deploy your application. Now, your FlutterFlow app is ready to authenticate users with Firebase Phone Auth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.